Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, a very cool song here from Tame Impala. It's called Loser. Alright, everything doesn't go in your direction always. And yes, let's learn this song together. And as you can see, capo on first, absolute best scenario for us. With that, we have 7 chords. Let's dive into them. And we're going to start with this E minor. Okay, so that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B minor's next chord. That's a bar chord. You have your index finger on the second fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have C next. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the D chord. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we move on to the chords we need to handle as well. So that's the A minor. You have the open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E played. Next is the F chord, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger here on this 1st fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And finally, we have the G chord. And that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so this song is basically about 2 different playings. It's the verse play and chorus play. So we're gonna look into both of them, starting with the verse. And we play this cool melody here in the introduction of the tutorial. Let's learn that first. It goes like this. Okay, so you play the open E string in the bass together with the open high E, or just one downstroke on the E minor. It's up to you. Then comes, so that will be 2nd fret G string, and then open B. And then you come into this B minor territory. It's the B minor chord next. You're gonna play the bass notes for that chord, which will be the 2nd fret A string, together with this melody note, which is the 1st fret B string. And then back to open B. And that's it for the B minor. Then into the C chord. You can play again either one down, or play the 3rd fret A string together with 1st B. And then you play that part, which is the open B to 1st B. And then comes the final D chord parts, and it plays. So that is open D string together with open high E, then 3rd B, and then open B, 1st B, open B, and then finally the 2nd G, and that's it. So and so on. Alright, there you have the verse play when it comes to melody. Now let's learn it with some strumming. It's very, very simple, guys. If you grab the 1st chord, the E minor, you're going to play down, down, clap, down. Okay? Very straightforward and simple. So that is 1 string around. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Right, and you already learned the order of the chords. So we learned that from the melody, and it follows of chords. So you're gonna play 1 string pattern for all of these chords. So E minor 1, B minor 1, C1, and D1, like this. And that's the verse play. Now into the chorus play, you're gonna play the same strumming pattern here, and you're gonna just change the chords. So you're gonna play A minor 1, E minor 1, F1, and G1, and that's the chorus play. Let's do it. Alright, and that starts at 1 minute and 43 seconds in. Then you're gonna alternate this verse plays versus the chorus plays a couple times, and then at 3 minutes and 10 seconds in, you're gonna hit this bridge part. What you're gonna play here is E minor 2-string rounds and A minor 2-string rounds. You're gonna do that for 4 rounds in total. So E minor, then A minor, and that is 1 round. Second round, you keep on doing that 4 rounds in total. That's a bridge, and from that part, from the bridge part, you come into the outro part, the final parts of the song. We hit that at 3 minutes and 35 seconds in. What you're gonna play here is E minor 2-string rounds, then A minor 1 and B minor 1. You play that chord for 4 rounds, and then after that you go into the verse play and play the E minor 1, B minor 1, C1, D1 for another 4 rounds. And that, my friends, is how you handle this cool song called Loser from Tame Impala. So good luck with this one, guys. Simple string pattern. If you're gonna go and level up a little bit, incorporate the melody, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed it. If you want to support me, then please feel free to do that. Very thankful for that. And until next time, guys, play tuned.